I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin trying to bounce. So previously we've talked about Bitcoin has to hold this $19,000 level. Barely above that level right here on the weekly chart. Now, you've got this low and a higher low. So potentially you could be building a double bottom reversal idea where this is a bottom and then a high and then a higher low. And then will Bitcoin put in another higher high where essentially where this double bottom gets printed on a higher high, your double bottom is confirmed. And then you're looking for a breakout basically up in this area right here, right? $25,000 Bitcoin, but you could see $28,000 on confirmation of this Bitcoin double bottom. Is this the big reversal that we've been waiting for? We're going to zoom in some lower term time frames. I've got a perfect plan waiting to execute like clockwork. If the bulls can't hold 19,000, you're looking at the much lower prices, 17,000, 15,600, 13,400, right? So it's really important that the bulls hold this level. And this is cycle top. This is cycle top previous bull market, 2017. So very important that the bulls hold this level. Now, we told you the plan is this. It's real simple. Plan A, Plan B. Plan A, so number one, we've got this descending triangle, which is a bearish triangle. 64% chance it breaks to the downside. Now, every time the price action is hit this level, it's bounced, hit this level, it's bounced, hit this level, bounce, 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 and even again today it bounced. So if this does break out to the upside, I'm looking for higher prices out of Bitcoin. You'll form this range, and essentially you could get a move to the range high up here around 30,000. The Fed comes out in a couple days, 2 days, and says, hey, we're raising the rates a bunch, and the market's shocked, surprised by it. You're looking for lower prices out of Bitcoin. That's not what the Bitcoin bulls want to see. That's not what traditional markets want to see. The stock market, crypto, that's not what we want. But, so, I mean, we're just really, let's see what the Fed does, because the Fed news is going to call this move, right? But very important that you get this bounce and, again, breakout is the safest entry, where you break above, 20,600, 20,700, and you could see a move up here to 26,000, just based on this idea. So you're going to long the breakout to the upside, or you're going to short the breakout to the downside. So you open up your shorts if this thing breaks lower. It's that simple. You're just going to use Bitcoin to open up the trades, and you're going to kill it. It's that simple. That's all you do in this market. Don't make it harder than it has to be. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person wants to be in the 7-figure club at the end of this cycle. He had about $67,000. Now he's up to $400,000. Huge, banging. This person is in Cancun because of the trading group. The group pays for itself. It's like the biggest no-brainer in the history of man. Here, join a group. It pays for itself. You make money. Everybody wins. That's simple. This person turned $9,000 into $75,000 with fairly conservative plays. Listen, this is not that hard. All you need is some basic understanding of what's happening. I've never seen people throw money at a market. They have no clue what they're doing and like falling in love with the technology, and they're getting their heads knocked off. I'm giving 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. I can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I post the bangers every single day in group. 26%, 26, 41, 43. These are all shorts. And then Joe nailed the 58% long. Also here, we've left this Ethereum short running. Sell the news, 70% gains on this Ethereum short to the downside. Uniswap, 55% profits. Gem pick bangers. That's all you need to care about, is how am I going to make money in a subpar market? You're going to trade both ways, period. And I can help you with that. This is the ES1. And so the most important thing that you have to understand is that you've got this falling wedge, 68% chance of a break to the upside, and it did. Now, if you take this is your measured move. Your measured move comes up here to around 4,025, and at that point, I mean, if it rolls over, you're looking for Bitcoin to roll over. So the bulls need to regain this level back and flip it as support for bullish upside momentum, right? Bitcoin has been following the ES1 like clockwork. It's that simple. Like, never have I had a significant advantage as much as I do right now because of the ES1 exclamation point. This is S&P E mini futures, S&P 500 E mini futures, and it's golden. Total 2. Okay, this is important. You've had, previously we had this huge dump and bounce. All right. So right here at this level, this is key support, key resistance, key support, losing key support. Now, this is a bull pennant where you've got a falling wedge, 68% chance. At some point it breaks to the upside, but how long will this thing meander its way down to the downside and the total altcoin market cap get completely destroyed? You want to, when you're talking about accumulating altcoins, you're wanting to accumulate the uptrends. If you get stuck in a habit where you're buying these altcoins on the way down and these things drag you lower and lower and lower, that's not what we do. We wait for the breakouts. We buy into strength. We buy into strength and we make a ton of money based on the upside out of these altcoins in general, right? So again, this is a total altcoin market cap, total 2, and it's in a downtrend. It's not amazing. But when this thing breaks out, you're looking for some fireworks out of total 2 as well as the rest of the altcoins. Ethereum is in trouble. Ethereum had its sell the news potential, right? You have this rising, broadening wedge, and it broke to the downside. Now, you had this previous pullback, and then you lost it. And now, if you bearish retest this move to the downside, you can see $1,000 out of Ethereum, right? You'll be able to pick up Ethereum at much lower prices. So pay attention if you're trying to stake and be a hero and then hold a bunch of Ethereum. That's very long term. You can't, for me, there's no way I'm going to sit here and stake a coin that is, while Bitcoin's in a downtrend. It doesn't make sense to me. I would rather load up on Ethereum when it bottoms out, after it goes through accumulation, after the part of the market cycle where this thing works its way lower and slowly over time will come back. And so that's the most important thing that I teach in the trading group, is how to identify accumulation, times when people need to understand how to buy these coins. You know, you don't buy these coins when everybody's talking about them. You buy them when nobody wants to buy them. You buy when fear is rampant in the market, you buy these coins when people are scared of what the price action is doing. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.